Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bid on Upwork. So first, let's talk about what bidding on Upwork actually means. When you submit a proposal for a job, you're essentially placing a bid. And your bid includes the price that you're willing to work for and the amount of connects that you're willing to spend to submit the proposal. Connects are Upwork's virtual tokens that allow you to apply for jobs. The number of connects required depends on the job, typically ranging from 1 to 6 connects per proposal. Make sure to keep track of your connects balance so you can continue bidding on jobs. The first step in bidding is finding the right job to apply for. And in order to do that, first of all, log into your Upwork account and click on the Find Work tab at the top left corner. Click on Search for a job and use these filters at the left corner of your screen to search for your preferred job. Now, look for jobs with detailed description and realistic budgets and clients with verified payment methods. And always focus on jobs where you can provide clear value because this will increase your chances of winning the bid. Now that you've found the right job, you'll have to click on the Apply Now button at the top right corner. After clicking on Apply Now, you will see Submit a Proposal page. On this page, scroll down, select an option according to your preference. Now, enter a cover letter in this field, describe your recent experience with the project, scroll down and navigate to Boost Your Proposal section. So basically, navigate to this page, write a cover letter and navigate to the bottom of the page. And when you navigate to this page, you'll have to click on this Set a Bid button. As you can see, I don't have enough connects to boost. That means I cannot bid right now. And you can also click on Send for 17 connects, but by doing that, you won't be able to place a bid. You'll only be able to send a proposal. So in order to bid, you'll have to simply click on this Set a Bid button. After that, enter the amount of connects that you're willing to bid for, and your bid will be placed from 1st to 4th place on this page. Then click on Bid and you will see Submit Your Bid option. Simply click on that option. After that, you'll have successfully submitted your bid with your cover letter. And that's how you can bid on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.